how to sell jewelry and accessories on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So before that, let's first explain the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's choose one of these products just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. Let's choose this ring, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product or the video if you have one, how to add all of the pictures of your product, how to set the price, how to add the options if there is any, like the size, customization, and how to add the product details and the description as well. And the last thing is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's start from the first page. Let's close this one, go to the main page, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button, then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And here, as you can see, you have 6 steps to go through in order to do that. And the first step is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then you start your shop, then you choose how you'll get paid, you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for me, I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. For me, I'm choosing this name. Let's remove the special characters and let's make these changes. Let's say if the name is available. So the name is more than 20 characters, and here the name is now good, but it's already taken. So let's just choose one of these options. Let's go with this one. I think this is a good name. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. And in this step, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So let's start first. Before adding the photos and details, click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here we have 4 required fields: the photos, and here you will need at least 1 photo. Inventory, you will need at least to fill the price field. The listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields. And the same thing with shipping as well. You have a lot of red fields to fill. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. And here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you enter the title of the product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then you have the category. So here you enter the product's name and you'll have a lot of categories to choose from. I'm going to choose, let's just remove accessories here. Jewelry, let's see, let's choose the jewelry. And here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's choose brown, for example. Secondary color, let's go with red, for example. And here you have the width. You choose the width and you choose a unit in here, and you do the same with the height and depth as well. Then we have the occasion. You can choose one in here, and the holiday as well. You can choose one in here. Then we have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free. So I'm going to choose a manual renewal. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then you proceed to fill in the shipping settings. So here we start with the origin postal code. Let's give it this postal code, for example. Then we have the processing time. Let's choose 5 to 7 days. Then we have the standard shipping for Morocco. Let's choose the delivery time. Let's say 10 days. And let's choose free shipping. Everywhere else, let's go with 15 days. And let's leave it at free shipping. Then here you apply the 30 days returns and exchanges policy, or you choose another one in here. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.